For this lovely monsoon season, I have this instant recipe of spring rolls which you can make in no time and without any pastry sheets. It's delicious, full of vegetables, crunchy and crispy spring rolls. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified first. So to prepare the stuffing for the spring roll, I have here shredded cabbage and grated carrots, thinly sliced capsicum, green and red. You can use any vegetables that you like, but these are the basic ones. Now I'm added 2 teaspoons of salt and I'm going to mix this well so that the salt is coated and it starts releasing the water, because we want the moisture out of this mixture. So I have very well coated. Now let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to take a piece of cloth like a cheesecloth, and then you can put all the vegetables and squeeze out all the water. Now the salt had made release lots of water, so this is how much it released. Now discard that, and then I'm going to take the mixture in a bowl. Now it's all dried up and this is how we want. Now I'm going to temper it, so I'm going to heat about a teaspoon of oil. To that I'm going to add grated ginger and some green chilies. This is optional, but it gives a nice flavor and spiciness. And we're going to add chopped spring onions. Saute for a while. Add corn. And I'm going to saute for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. It's a spring roll, so soy sauce is must, and I really like the flavor. Now add all the mixed vegetables and we are going to add some spices. So here I have chowmein masala. Now as a substitute you can use black pepper powder, curry powder and some chili sauce, but I added this masala. It's a ready-made. It gives nice flavor. So our stuffing is ready. Now let's prepare the outer layer, and guess what I'm using? It's bread. So I'm going to cut the edges of the bread so that I can fold them easily. Now I'm going with a rolling pin, I'm going to just flatten it out as much as possible and then fill up the mixture and then just seal them nice and tight like this. Now you can apply water so that it can get a little bit soggy and sticky. So make sure to seal the edges. Now 2 ways to make this. You can deep fry them. If you're deep frying them, make sure you seal the edges completely. However, you can also use shallow frying, which I'm going to be doing. So here in a pan I have heated up the oil and then shallow fry this until they are nice and golden on all sides. So this is really an instant recipe. If you do not have a pastry sheets, you can prepare this using the bread slices. Easy enough. Make sure to hit that like button. So our spring rolls are ready. Let's serve them. And you can serve this with your favorite sauce. Here I have chili garlic sauce, and it's really crispy, crunchy and tasty and very flavorful and perfect for this monsoon season. So how you like this video? Please let me know in the comment box below. Try this today and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.